today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, which is why you clicked on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by my nails. This is also inspired by Nikki Tutorials because she recently put up a bomb green eye look. It was like monochromatic green eye look. Oh my god, it was beautiful. And then Madame Glam sent me this nail polish, and it's a cat eye gel. This isn't sponsored, but they did send it to me, and I was honestly so inspired by how cool this like gel is that I wanted to do a green eyeshadow look. And I haven't done like a complex green look in a really long time, and I've been loving color, as you can tell on my channel. I've been really loving color lately, so I wanted to do a video on my nails because I think that would be, or like inspired by my nails. And don't worry, nail video is still coming. Don't worry, it's coming. It's just gonna be an intensive video. Anyways, if you want to see the makeup tutorial that I came up with inspired by this Madame Glam nail polish, I'll have the name of the nail polish listed down below, as well as everything else that I use to build my nails. And I also have a 30% off coupon code. It's not an affiliate code. Like I said, this isn't sponsored. I was just honestly so inspired by this nail polish that I just had to do something about it. So anyways, if you all want to see the tutorial for this look, then just keep watching. Alright everybody, so we are going to get started with this nail inspired look. I'm going to start by priming my lids with just some Tarte Shape Tape as per normal. And who finds this so satisfying? I found that so satisfying, so I had to like, I don't know, it was just so satisfying. Anyways, I'm just going to blend that in with my sponge, and then I'm just going to slightly set it, just like ever so lightly. I'm going to start with the Creepy Cute palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Take a Hint, this nice, awesome neon green, and I'm just going to start packing that in the crease. And once I pack that down, then I am going to go back in windshield wiper motions and blend it out, just to make sure this green is nice and pungent. Then I'm going to take this NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to take this kind of medium green, and I'm going to pack this in the inner and outer corner. I should have started with darker shades, and you will find out why in a minute. I need to start doing darker shades to lighter shades, but anyways, you can do this as well. Then I'm going to take this dark green Makeup Geek shade. I can't remember the name of it right now for the life of me, but I will have it listed in the description box. And I'm just going to start darkening up my inner and outer corner. And here's why I should have started with the darker shades, because when I start with lighter shades and build darker shades on top of it, this little patch starts on the corner of my eye. So I just decided to wipe off my makeup, put on a little bit more concealer, and pack on more dark color, just so it could just be my bare skin attached to the dark color, or bare skin, primer, then dark color. Anyways, that's how I ended up fixing it, and I ended up having to go back and fix it again with concealer, but anyways. So yeah, I'm just darkening up my inner and outer corner with that deep Makeup Geek green shade. And I'm just blending out the edges a little bit. Y'all know the drill. And then here's where I had to fix it again. I just took a little bit of concealer and just popped it onto that patch that doesn't like to take pigment. If you have one of those on your eyeballs, I'm sorry, but try working with darker colors first, or just using concealer to patch it, because then it really attached. Anyways, then I'm going to take the Makeup Geek foiled pigment in the shade Voodoo. This is a nice true green shade. It matched my nails almost perfectly. And I'm basically going to take this not all over my lid, but kind of all over my lid except for the very center. I'm going to kind of try to do a spotlight halo eye. So again, I just wet my brush with some setting spray, and I'm just placing this again kind of all over my lid except for in the very center where we are going to cut the crease. And then we're going to jam out a little bit, and then we're going to cut the crease. This is the Tarte Shape Tape again. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and again, I'm kind of doing a spotlight halo eye, and which basically means I'm going to kind of be doing a triangle shaped kind of cut crease. So I'm starting kind of wide at the very top, and then I'm tapering it to a point down the center of my eye, again to kind of mimic the cat eye in the gel polish that I am using. Y'all know the deal. I mean, you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking it kind of wide across the cut crease and then slowly tapering it down so it's like a halo eye, but it's a halo cut crease. Then I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to take this shade, I think it's called Thrash. Any sort of light yellowy neon green works fine. This is just the one that I had in my collection. And I'm just going to pack that down the center of my lid, again creating a halo eye with this right smack dab in the center. And then I just kind of flip my brush over and go back in with that Voodoo shade again, just to make sure they're nice and blended together and nice and incorporated in together. Then I'm going to take this eye candy liquid sugar. I believe it's in the shade Candy Apple, and I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to do a line of glitter at the top of the cut crease. So I'm just placing that glitter primer down with a Sigma pencil, or no, what is this? A Sigma like small angled brush, and then I'm just going to pack the glitter right on top of where I put the glitter glue in just a line to, again, kind of emphasize the cut crease. So again, just placing down the glitter primer, and then immediately going in, picking up the glitter, and packing the glitter onto the tacky primer. I love this glitter. Again, it matched like really, really well. I was very satisfied with how well this actually matched my nails. And I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm going to do a hearty wing of liner. Y'all don't have to do liner with this, but I think it adds to the, I don't know, to the drama of the look. So we're just going to do, again, a nice, thick, healthy wing of liner. After I have the liner on, I just wanted to darken up the inner and outer corners a little bit more, so I went back in with my Strobe Cosmetics Creepy Cute palette and this Makeup Geek pencil brush, and I just packed black again right on the inner and outer corner, once again to just kind of deepen it up and just kind of make it look a little bit more polished and complete. I took this on the outer corner as I'm doing here, and then I switched to a more tapered brush and popped that in the inner corner as well. Yeah, that's all. That's what I did. That's what I'm doing. You know, you can see. Then I'm going to start with face. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. This is in the shade Porcelain. I love this foundation. It's one of my favorite foundations in the entire world. And I'm just going to pop that all over my face with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge as per normal. Then I'm just going to highlight and conceal using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and mine is in the shade Fair 5. And again, blend that out with your sponge of choice. Then I'm going to set my under eyes with this LA Girl Pro Powder. This is in the banana shade. I really, really, really like this powder for setting your under eyes. It's a nice banana shade, but it's not too dark for pale skin, which makes me super happy. Then all over my face, I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I've been really trying to try new face powders, and I've been striking out the past couple times. So I've been really liking this IT Cosmetics powder. Then I'm just going to contour my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and, you know, I'm just going to kind of bronze with this, but, you know, mostly just contour, warm up my skin, give my face some shape, y'all know, and I'm using a Delium Tools Golden Triangle brush to do this. I'll leave the number down below. It's such a great bronzer brush. Then we can take this the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer, and I'm just gonna add this was kind of like as a blush, even though I add blush later. I just wanted a little bit more warmth. Then we can take the BH Cosmetics Blacklight highlighting palette, and there's this really, really cool, you can hardly tell the camera's not picking it up, but it's like a green shift highlight. I was obsessed with it. It's so stunning and so reflective, and you can hardly tell in this video, which makes me sad because in person it had just the most subtle, soft green sheen. It was so freaking cool. I love this palette. It was awesome. And then I'm just going to take just the white shade down my nose just so I didn't have a green highlight on my nose. I don't know. I just decided to mix it up. Then I just decided to pop on a little bit of blush just to kind of try to mesh the highlight in with the bronzer as well. So I just took a little bit of my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette and just kind of popped that towards the back of my cheeks. Then I'm just going to fill in my brows, and then we're moving on to our lower lash line. Lower lash line is super, super simple. I just wanted a nice smoky lower lash line, but I didn't want to detract from the upper lash line. So I'm just taking my Styli-style Line and Seal semi-permanent eyeliner in black. I'm just going to blend that down ever so slightly. We aren't going our crazy usual dead girl glam. I just wanted to keep this very kind of slim and cat eye-like. And then I'm going to take that same dark green that we used to darken our upper, like, you know, lid area, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend down the black, but again, not taking it down too far. I wanted to keep this a nice cat eye shape. Then I'm going to take the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strut. This is such a nice underrated nude. It is so comfortable, and yeah, I wish I would have done a bold lip, honestly, but I didn't want to overwhelm the eyes, so I just decided to go nude because I'm not brave. I'm just kidding. Anyways, after that, this look is totally complete. I had so much fun with this look. I love this nail polish. I'll have the name of it listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!